In this tutorial, we'll learn how to use Slack to communicate, organize projects, and collaborate more efficiently as a team. The first step is to sign up for Slack using your work email address. Go to the Slack website or open the app and click on the Sign Up button. Enter your work email and follow the verification process by checking your inbox and confirming your email address. Once you've signed in, you'll be prompted to create a new workspace. A workspace is where your team communicates and collaborates. Enter a name for your workspace. For this tutorial, you can use something like Tech Team Workspace. Next, you'll be asked to set up your profile. Enter your name as CS Demo so it's easy to recognize during the demonstration. After that, Slack will give you the option to invite teammates. Enter the email addresses of the people you want to add to your team. You can invite multiple people at once or skip this step and do it later if you prefer. Finally, review your details and complete the setup process. Once everything is confirmed, your Slack workspace will be created, and you'll be taken to your main dashboard where you can start creating channels, sending messages, and collaborating with your team. Once you're inside your workspace on Slack, you can start by creating a new channel. Click on the Add Channel or Plus button next to the Channels section. Then select Create a New Channel. Name the channel New Channel and create it. After the channel is created, open it and send a message such as, "Welcome to the Slack channel." This helps introduce the space and lets others know the channel is active. Next, click the Add Channel button again to create another channel. Name this one Design Project and set its visibility to public so everyone in the workspace can access it. Then, invite team members by entering their email addresses, for example, James and John, and click Add to include them in the channel. Repeat the process to create another channel called Development Project. Set the visibility to public, and invite additional team members such as Susan and Emma. Once you've added them, click Add to finish setting up the channel. Now you have multiple channels organized by project, making it easier for your team to communicate and collaborate effectively. In the All Tech channel, type a message such as, "Welcome to the Tech team," to introduce members and start the conversation. You can also mark important channels by starring them. To do this in Slack, simply drag the channel into the Starred section or click the star icon next to the channel name. This helps you quickly access important conversations, such as your design project channel when work gets started. If you want to remove a channel from your starred list, click the star icon again. It will unstar the channel. This will remove it from the starred section. To send a direct message in Slack, go to the Direct Messages section on the left sidebar and click on it. You can choose to message yourself or select a team member or group. Click New Message, then type the name of the person, or choose yourself, to start a conversation. In the message box, you can type something like, "Hi CS Demo, please complete your tasks by the end of the week," then press Send. You can also add reactions to messages to communicate quickly. For example, click the emoji icon next to a message and select a checkmark to indicate completion, or a thumbs up to show acknowledgement. This is a simple way to confirm that you've read and understood a message without sending a reply. Click on the Direct Messages DMs section in the sidebar of Slack to view all of the messages you've sent and received. This area shows your conversations with individuals and groups, making it easy to keep track of your communication history. Click on the Activity tab in Slack to view your latest notifications. This section shows mentions, replies, and reactions to your messages, helping you stay updated on important conversations. Click on the More option in the sidebar of Slack to access additional features. From there, you can view files, open later to see saved items, and explore other tools available in your workspace. This section helps you find important documents, revisit saved messages, and use extra features that support your team's workflow. Next, click the Add Plus button near the message box. This will open a menu showing options such as Canvas, files, and other content types you can add to the channel. These tools help you share documents, create collaborative notes, or attach important resources directly inside the conversation. For example, you can select Canvas to create a shared workspace for notes, or files to upload documents related to the project. In Slack, next to the message box in your channel, there is also a message action button that provides additional options. When you click it, you can access features such as video messages, voice or video recording, and other media tools. These options allow you to communicate more dynamically. For example, you can record a short video update for your team, Send a voice message instead of typing, or share quick visual explanations. In Slack, when you write a message, you can use @mentions to notify yourself or anyone in your team who has been added to the workspace. For example, typing @username will directly tag that person in the message. This ensures they are notified and can easily see the message in the channel or conversation. If notifications are enabled, the tagged person may also receive an email or push notification depending on their settings, helping them stay updated even if they are not actively using Slack at that moment. For example, in Slack, you can use @mentions to notify specific people in your team. Typing something like @John, for example, John working on UI design, will send a notification directly to him. You can also mention others like @Susan, who may be working on interface design, or someone handling both front-end and back-end tasks. Each mentioned person will be notified so they can respond or take action. If you want to notify the entire group, you can use @everyone. This will alert all members in the channel, making it useful for important announcements or updates that everyone needs to see. Once inside the channel in Slack, team members can communicate by sending messages, checking updates, and using emojis or reactions to respond quickly. They can also click on notifications to see who mentioned them, reply to messages, or mark tasks as completed. This helps the team stay organized, collaborate efficiently, and keep track of progress in real time. You can use threads to keep conversations organized. Instead of replying in the main channel, you can click on a message and select Reply in Thread. Huddles are a quick way to start an informal audio or video conversation with your team. In Slack, the Drafts and Sent section helps you manage your messages. Drafts are messages you have started writing but haven't sent yet. If you leave a message unfinished or decide to come back to it later, it is automatically saved as a draft. You can open it any time, edit it, and send it when you're ready. The Sent section shows all the messages you have already sent in channels or direct messages. This allows you to review your communication history, check what you've shared, and keep track of conversations with your team. Together, Drafts and Sent help you stay organized and ensure you never lose track of important messages. In Slack, the directory section helps you find and manage everything in your workspace. Inside the directory, you can view people, which shows all. In Slack, the directory section helps you find and manage everything in your workspace. Inside the directory, you can view people, which shows all members of your workspace and their profiles. You can also browse channels, where different team conversations and projects are organized. The directory also includes user groups, which are collections of people grouped by role or team for easier communication. For example, all developers or designers. Additionally, you can manage external invitations, which allow you to invite people outside your organization to join specific channels or collaborate on projects. Overall, the directory makes it easy to organize, search, and manage everyone involved in your Slack workspace. The Tools and Browse Apps section allows you to extend your workspace with additional functionality. The Browse Apps option lets you search for and install integrations from the Slack app directory. These apps connect Slack with other tools you use, such as project management, file storage, or productivity platforms. Once installed, these tools can help automate tasks, share updates, and improve collaboration across your team. For example, you can integrate apps for notifications, task tracking, or document sharing directly into your channels. This section helps you customize Slack to fit your team's workflow and make communication more efficient. Channel templates are pre-designed setups that help you quickly create organized channels for different types of work. Instead of building a channel from scratch, you can choose a template that already includes suggested structure, settings, and sometimes example sections or workflows. For example, there may be templates for project management, team announcements, onboarding, or support teams. Once you select a template, you can customize the channel name, add members, and adjust settings like visibility, public or private. Channel templates save time and help ensure that every new channel follows a consistent and organized format, making collaboration easier for the whole team. You have now successfully learned how to use Slack from the basics to key collaboration features. You started by creating a workspace, setting up your profile, and inviting team members. Then you learned how to create and manage channels for different projects, send messages, and keep conversations organized with all these tools. You are now ready to collaborate effectively, manage projects, and communicate efficiently with your team using Slack.